Good morning! I'm feeling so refreshed today. Time to stretch and get this day started. I feel so positive and ready. My day starts early at 6 a.m. The alarm rings, and it is time to get up. I take a moment to meditate in silence. Meditation helps me start the day with a calm mind. Breathing in peace, breathing out stress. My body is relaxed. I am centered and at peace. I carry this calm into my day. I brush my teeth carefully. I take a refreshing shower to wake up. After that, I pick out my clothes for the day. I like wearing comfortable clothes. This striped one looks so cute. Perfect fit! I love it. I usually choose jeans and a cool t-shirt. Then I go to the dining room for breakfast. That hits the spot. Perfect way to start the day. Morning colors are so very bright. We prepare everything with so much love. I find my mom preparing breakfast in the kitchen. Good morning, Alexa. The pastries are fresh.
They smell wonderful.
My parents and I have breakfast together. I usually have cereal or toast. I add some fresh fruit for a healthy start. Everything tastes so delicious. After breakfast, I check my timetable. I get ready for my morning destination. I catch the bus around 8 a.m. During the ride, I listen to my favorite songs. Sometimes I chat with my friends on the bus. My morning sessions start at 9 a.m. I attend different classes like science and math. I really enjoy learning new things every day. At lunchtime, I head to the cafeteria. Sometimes we share our food with each other. In the afternoon, I continue with my classes. I eat with my friends and socialize. We talk and laugh throughout the meal.
Yeah, it's the best part of the day. And these cookies are amazing.
Right? So good. History is also part of my daily learning. These sessions continue until 3 p.m. When the sessions are over, I feel accomplished.
Yeah, me too.
I might play or hang out with friends. Sounds great!
I'm in. Let's hang out now.
Yeah, sounds perfect. What should we do? How about a walk? It is a time to have fun and be active. When I get home, I focus on my homework. Sometimes the tasks are a bit challenging. I always give it my best shot regardless. Dinner is served around 7 p.m. It looks wonderful, dear. We sit together as a family to eat.
It's the best part of the day.
We talk about how our day went. Mine was good, the weather was nice. I had a great day at work. And we enjoy a good meal prepared at home. Mine was good. The weather was lovely.
And this meal is wonderful, thank you.
Yes, it's perfect. I just chill and relax with my family. Around 9 p.m., I prepare for bed. I might play video games for a while. I also enjoy drawing in my sketchbook. It allows me to have appropriate thoughts. Then I go to the bathroom to wash my face. I brush my teeth one last time. I change into my comfortable pajamas. Sometimes I listen to calming music instead. This routine helps me relax completely. I make sure everything is ready for tomorrow. I like to read a book before sleeping. Before closing my eyes, I reflect on the day. I think about all the good things that happened. It prepares my body and mind for sleep. I try to go to sleep by 10 p.m. I am happy with my simple daily life. I look forward to waking up early again. This practice makes me feel happy. I feel very grateful for my life. I love to watch my favorite movies. This is my time for extra relaxation.